Hey guys, my name's Elton. I'm over in Louisiana, and I want to take a moment to shoot a quick video of appreciation and a testimonial for Brent Daniels, especially the TTP program. That's the program I'm in within Wholesaling Inc. Guys, look, if you're looking to get into wholesaling and looking to get the fastest, what I consider to be speed to the deal, and bypass people who may be sending mail that's piling up on people's in their house, on their counters, their kitchen counter. The best way to do it is just call these people, guys. And if you want to know the best resource that I found online, the one that helped me get results wholesaling, I recommend TTP, Brent Daniels. His program will show you everything from A to Z as it pertains to wholesaling real estate throughout the United States. Guys, I've tried this before with bandit signs about a year ago, put those down. I did start cold calling, and probably about 30 days ago, I joined TTP. And with that, I've produced 2 deals, and I have 3 or 4 that's in the pipeline now. So if you're thinking about wholesaling and you want to learn how to be proactive and get on the phones, I strongly encourage you to book a call with the TTP group, with Brent Daniels group on his webpage, and we'll see you on the inside. Take care.